Hello, everybody. It's Marty, the JavaScript party here. No Rhett because they are my dogs. My son is going to bring his dogs over here shortly. I think he's on his way right now, so it gets a little crazy. It is still 20 degrees. I think that's what it was this morning, or yeah, earlier today. It was 20 degrees. It's still 20 degrees. I believe that was negative 6.667 degrees Celsius. And it is 4:23. And this week, what we're trying to do is um, build like a configuration. We're trying to build out a configuration so that we can uh, serve this software off of GitHubIO. So if you see, I already have it set up for my voice analyzer. It's Marty the Party, GitHubIO/Angular Speech Analyzer. And then this one is flashcards. But if I try to go to, let's do this, say hello, we won't have anything. Say hello. All right, so if I copy this URL and I put it over here, it will give me a 404. It was funny because a second ago I did it and it put me to that docs page. But this time it gave me a 404, which I think is a little better. It is kind of interesting though. Like I said, the very first time, so something happened behind the scenes, obviously, once you hit one, and I guess if it matches up, and basically this name here is the name of the repo. So like that one is flashcards. Oop, I didn't. Let me hit reload. Flashcards, and then this one was Angular Web Speech Analyzer, and this one's going to be say hello when we're done. So I think every time I've done this, I've done it with a usually making like heavy use of ChatGPT. But this time I think we do have a good reference, and that's flashcards. If we go to flashcards and if we go look at the I guess it's, 16 commits. And I believe there was a setup, GitHub commit, which we could go back and watch video 7, because I do it in video 7. But anyways, we can click in here. It's kind of interesting. There's a commit here and then there's a commit here. I think both of them are for the full things, but one of them is to merge. I'm not exactly sure why that is that way, but let's go ahead and click on this. So these are all the changes that went in there. And one of them was one file. There's 3 files. 2 of them matter. One of them is not really relevant. It's this package lock.json. But package.json, we added a couple of scripts, and then we also, what is going on here? So it looks like on line 9 and 10, we had a build GitHub, but the thing is let me just make this bigger. The thing is that I believe this does the same thing. Build C GitHub, flashcard builder browser branch. So we want to do something very similar to this. It kind of feels like this one isn't necessary, but whatever. And then we also added this Angular CLI GH pages. Then in Angular, we ended up doing this. And we added this right here. As you can hear, the dogs are here. My son will probably come in and chat for a second. I might end up stopping this recording. I wish I could pause the recording. They don't really have that But yeah, so it looks like we want to add in Angular JSON, we want to add this section. Now, one thing I did note was that, like, see, this is all we had in Angular.json. But like, if you look at our Angular.json that we already did for I like email, there's a whole bunch of stuff in there, which is kind of crazy. So anyways, I think what I need to do is I'm going to stop. I'll have another video here in a second, or there's probably another video right after this, but I'll be back.